Inspecting element is must to be able to identify the web elements that you plan to use in your test. This is a crucial step in writing WebDriver test, and this is something that you are going to be doing a lot of throughout this course and when writing WebDriver test in general. So I want to take a moment now to show an example of how to inspect web elements in Chrome. For this example, I will be using simple WebDriver test from the last video to demonstrate how to inspect a web element. And the following simple test, what I'm going to do is to navigate to google.com in Chrome, and once there I will hover over the search bar, right click, that will open up a menu, and down at that bottom I'm going to select the option inspect. This opens up the inspector, and the first view that we will see here is all of the HTML element. Right click on the element that I'm going to inspect and then click on this inspect. The first view that we see here is all of the HTML elements that compose the page, and the line that is highlighting input element with many attributes that define it. In the test, the search bar element is found by the name of Q. So this is the name here. But if you look, there is also other ways to define this element, such as an ID, a class, and more. When writing test, you will end up using a variety of selector based on what's available. In using the inspector, I can also inspect other elements on the page by using this button in the top left corner of the inspector, this button. Now I can click on this and I can inspect over any element that I want to inspect, and it will give me the HTML attribute of that particular element. That's just a quick lesson on how inspecting element for now, and I will continue to use this method to inspect element throughout the course.